First here out at the bullet mine. I've been mining bullets. Now it's time to sort some of them out. Let's see what we got. I'm going to rinse my bullet ore. Kind of like gold, putting it through the pan. Let's see what we get here. There's a few shovelfuls. That have been aging gracefully in the pile, in the bullet pile. Okay, here's our normal variety of range lead. Very soft lead. We'll use that to cast handgun bullets. And if we need something a little more robust, you can blend that with some wheel weights, some linotype. Whatever we feel like mixing for the day. Now you're saying this is kind of a rich payout. Well, I'm very careful what goes in my bucket. When I collect this, it's a combination, obviously, dirt and spent bullets. And I try and skim off just the lead, leave the debris. If I only end up with a few shotgun holes, wads, I'm alright. I'm alright with that. They'll go into the shed floor, and we'll be there in 1,000 years. And somebody digs this up. Alright, that's pretty good start. Now, it's not perfect. It doesn't really have to be perfect. Just a good scrubbing. Because I can throw everything in this pile in the melting pot. Now, once again, I try and take out the plastic. Because that's nasty. The lead itself is not nasty. The lead is being melted, it's not boiled. From what I understand, it's more toxic from the dust. Alright. And that's a quickie. That'll go into a pile to be melted later. Now how's the close-up on this? Alright. There you go. All kinds of good stuff. You can spend a lot of time just saying what's what in that pile. Alright, quick and easy, rinsing out the range lead at the lead mine. Once again, drink more shine and eat more bacon. See ya.